Okay, so let's get started. Is my screen visible, students? Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it. I can see.
Okay, thank you. So let's.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. So let's. I'm just logging Pantheon.io. Connect with Google. Then sites. Then we have two website. Let's start with Arifremal. Then site admin. Okay, this is our website backend, and this is the front end. The previous lesson we discussed about the post option. So okay, so in this class we'll see this option media, page, comments, and so on. So let's move forward into media. So media is one kind of let's say invest. Okay, as you can see, this is a website. So this is a property listing website. This is one for one of my client. So as you can see in this website, you will see images like this. There is a image, there is another property image, there are also images. As you can see, there are also images, different types of image property. Okay, this for studio, villa, office, shop, and so on. If I scroll down, you will also see the image on the backend. As you can see, there are also this is called media. Okay, on the backend. If I go this website, my client website backend. If I go then media, you will see all of this image will store here. As you can see, it's loading. As you can see, everything appear under media. So that means if you want to add any image, any video, any audio, anything else, you need to upload on your media. Okay, as you can see, this image, and this image. If we go to our post, you will see this image will appear somewhere else. If I click here, Taliban's new curbs on women's education movement, you can see this is the image from the front end. If you go back end, it will appear here like this. In this way, you can upload. You just click add new, then select. Then if you want to, let's say, upload this image, you can upload image. You can upload video. If there is any video, you can upload. You can upload anything else according to media. You can also upload audio. Okay. You can also upload PDF file. As you can see, this is the PDF. Then you can use it according to your need. For my client needs this type of image. That's why I had upload image from the backend, so it will appear here. This is media library. As you can see, there are some filters like list view. If you click here, you will see list view. It will show according to list. Okay, this is a list view. If you click grid grid view, it will show your media as grid, as you can see, grid. And when you are developing your client website, make sure that you have compressed image uh, before uploading your website, because uh, if you upload high quality image on your website, it will make your website like lazy. Okay, if you want to make your website faster, so you need to compress your image. There are lots of plugins available on WordPress to compress your image. So make sure that you have compressed your image, then upload on your media, so your website will be faster. And there are lots of filter, image filter, video, document. You can also add a spreadsheet, okay, from the Google spreadsheet. If you archive anything else, you can do this. All media, you can also filter by date. You can also select bulk. Okay, so let's say I want to delete a image. Just click here, then click delete permanently. Then okay, so it will automatically delete it. Delete. Okay, in this way you can delete. Let's say I want to rename my image title. As you can see, my image title is something like this. uh, ABI word and so on. So if you want to rename your image title, you can easily rename from here, like image 1. That's it. So it will rename like this. You may also add caption, you may also add description, so it will helps to rank your website on Google search. Okay, as you can see, if you go to Google and type Arifremal, you will see my information. As you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile, this is my Facebook profile. Okay, and this is my YouTube, and this is my company profile. This is also my recent website. So for this purpose, as you can see, if you go image, you will see my image. Okay, so this image will appear because once I upload my image, I just rename my title to Arifremal. Okay, if I rename this title to Arifremal, maybe after a few days it will appear on the Google search form, because I have set up this image title as Arifremal, so it will index uh, on Google as my name. Maybe after a few days, 1 week or 2 weeks, this image will appear on the Google search bar. So for this purpose, image title, image caption, image description is too much important to rank your website on Google. This is the thing. Yes, I'm recording this lesson. Okay, and this option and this option both are same. As you can see, add new. Add new means you need to, if you want to upload anything else, like this, add new. This is the thing. Okay, let's move forward into, is there any question about media option? Any question, student?
No, thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's move forward into page. Page is most important. Actually, page is the main, main structure for your website. If you visit website, it's called googlemediamarketing.co.uk. Okay, as you can see, this is a website. Okay, so as I already told you, the maximum website have three common area. The first one is header, second the bottom one is footer, and the middle one is content area. Okay, as I already told you that this is called header. Okay, this is content area and this is footer part. As you can see on the header, you will see lots of this is called menu. Okay, there is a logo and this is menu. As you can see, menu divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 option. Each option is a single page. Okay, each option, like home is a page. Okay, for this website, home is a page, this is one page. About is another page. Digital signage is another page. Web design is another page. Digital marketing is a page. Website audit is another page. Contact is another page. So each page divided into each option. If I click here about, you will see this interface will change. Let me click on it, about. Okay, as you can see, it's changed. This UI is changed. You may also notice here www.coolmediamarketing.co.uk, then you will see about. That means we are now in different page. If we click digital signage, you will see that this UI will be changed. As you can see, the digital renovation, and if you focus on the top area, this link also changed. That means this is another page. So this page comes from this option, page option. Okay, as you can see, if we click view, you will see. Okay, let me change our permalink. Okay, let me show you what is permalink. So permalink is your website address. As you can see, this website called coolmediamarketing.co.uk, then digital signage. But if you go, okay, hold on please. Okay, sorry. As you can see, this is website URL and this is called permalink. Okay, we are now in digital signage. If you copy this name, digital signage, okay, then copy. Then if you want to create a new page same as this name, just click add new page. Okay, and just paste this name, digital signage. D would be Afghanistan. Okay, then publish. Okay, if you go back into our page area, as you can see, digital signage is a page. If you click here visit view, so you will see our link URL is not same. Like this is called something else. Just page hyphen id then 36. This is our permalink address, something like this. But if you go to our website, our main website, it looks like this. So this is, we can change the permalink style. Okay, as you can see, if you click setting, sorry, what is it? Yeah, setting, then permalinks, you will see the permalink structure. So right now, as default, it's always plain. That means it will show something like this. This is not looks good. And the second option, day and name. It will show your day and name, like when you create your page. And the third one is month and name. It will show your month. Then numeric, that means it will show a numeric number according to page. Then post name. This is most popular, and this is a everyone should use this one, post name. Okay, this is standard. Okay, then you can, if I click post name, then save changes. Then right now, if I go here, then if I click view, as you can see, our link is changed. Okay, from the ID to standard name, standard post name. Everyone understand this one, this process? Everyone understand? Okay, that's great. So if I refresh this page, it will also change. As you can see, digital signage, and this is more standard. Okay. So in this way, as you can see, for this website, we'll see lots of pages. We can easily create home, about, web design. We can easily create from here. Just add new, then home, then about, and so on. Let's create a new one, new page. Okay, then if you make it web design, this is our page, then publish. Okay, if you go to our page area, as you can see, web design page. Okay, then if you right click on open in new tab, view, as you can see, this is our web design page. In this way, we can add lots of pages according to our client requirement. Okay, we can also add this is so everything is a single page. Okay, so as you already know that how can we create our page. Now it's time to design our page. Okay, for WordPress, the default the most popular page builder or page editor is Elementor. Okay, if you go here, WordPress, page builder. Okay, top page builder. As you can see, there are lots of name: Elementor, DB, Pro Web Grow, Visual Composer or WP Bakery. Okay, WP page builder. There are lots of page builder to edit your page. As you can see, Thrive Archive is a page builder. Beaver Builder is page builder. DB is another page builder or page editor. Elementor Pro. We will see Elementor Pro, the most popular page builder. And Visual Composer, this is another one. And Gutenberg, this is the default one. Okay, this is also called block editor. This is the default one. So when we are creating a new things, we will see this default one, and so on. So we'll see Elementor page builder. So before dive into Elementor page builder, we will see where is classic editor. Okay, Visual Composer editor. Elementor, then Beaver Builder, Themify Builder, DB. We have already checked this one. Brisbee, Thrive Archive, Oxygen Builder is another one. Okay. In this way, there are lots of page builder, page editor available for WordPress CMS, but we'll see Elementor page builder. Before dive into Elementor page builder, we'll see the default one. The default one is Gutenberg editor or block editor. As we already check out the block editor when we're creating a post, we'll see the block editor. Okay. So same as post editor, if you want to create your page, you may explore the block editor. So I'm just editing my page, digital signature page. Okay, so this is the block editor UI. We have already checked this one once we are creating our post. This is your UI, block editor UI. Okay, so let's see. Let's first of all let's just see. We want to add a image. So just click here, then upload. You may upload image or you may already take image from your library that we see earlier. So let's take this image. Okay, then let's try to add a text that hello, it's a new page. Okay, then under there let's try to add a columns. Okay, just click columns. So how many columns you want? 100, that means full width, 50-50, 33 by 60-60. So let's say we need three parts of column. So the first one, we want to add a image. Okay, we want to upload image. So let's upload this one. For the second part, let's add a paragraph. Let's take text from the Lorem Ipsum website, Lorem Ipsum dummy text generator. Okay, continue. Oh no. Okay, let's take some text from here, then paste. If you want to style this one, so you may also style bold, italic. I have already shown you how to do this, how we can highlight, okay, with red color. Then for this part, let's try to add a browse all. Then we may also add video. Just click, where is it? Yeah, video. Then upload. Then this one. Okay, let's try to add another one. Another thing, just browse all. We may also add button. Then maybe we may contact us. Okay. Then you may also change the order, align middle, left align. Okay. Then you may also duplicate this one like this, make another one, or follow us like this. Let's try to add another. No, I don't want to add another one. Let's try to add another block, another widget. Okay, which one? Share icon and so on. Under media, image. You may also take image directly from here. Just search your image, then it will appear. Just drag and drop. Yeah, this is your library image. So if you once it's done, once your design is done, just you need to click update, then it will update it. Then just click here, view page. Okay, our design is ready. So this is our image, this is another image, this is our text, this is video that we added. So as you can see, for block editor there are just some limitation, okay, that you just need to add image, you just need to add video, something like this. You can do this, but if you want to make this type of attractive design, or let's say okay, let's say this type of structure. As you can see, the first one is a text, then under there it's a button, then there are six column. Okay, then there are also a packaging table. If you want to add this type of design, okay, as you can see, there are also another design. If you want to add this type of design, you need to work with Elementor page builder. Okay, so for block editor you can't do this. Okay, but if you can do this, it would be like more complex. But if you are familiar with Elementor page builder, you can easily create this type of design or this type of structure. That's why we will learn about Elementor page builder in this course. So let me show you other key quality.co.uk. And if you want to create this type of design, this type of structure, you must need to work with Elementor page builder. Okay, on Gutenberg editor it's quite complex to create this type of structure. Okay, this is also, if you want to create this type of design, you must work with the Elementor page builder. So this is a Gutenberg editor. They have some limitation, that's why we will ignore this editor. And there are also another famous editor is called classic editor. Okay, let me, for now I'm just going here, plugins, then add new, then add new, then install. This is a classic editor, it's always appear on the top, then active. If you go to our setting option, then general, writing, yeah, as you can see now, once you are install and activate your classic editor plugin, this option will appear here, that default editor for all user. So once you add your classic editor as your default editor, it will be selected, automatically selected. Now if I click update or save changes, if I go to page option, then if I click edit, okay, never. Okay, then if I click edit this page, you will see the interface will change. As you can see, interface is changed. Okay, this is not look like our Gutenberg editor or block editor. This is another editor called classic editor, and this interface will be changed. If you want to add anything else, you may add into page. If you want to add any heading, you may also add heading here, like this. For classic editor, they have some limitation. So in this way, you can use Gutenberg editor or classic editor, but the preferable is recommended is used to Elementor page builder. Okay, then let's move forward into the next one. Comments means once you publish any post or any blog, people can add their comments. This is comments. When someone just post, let's just make it nice, then post comment. Okay, then if I refresh this page, as you can see, new comments. This is something like mm, Facebook. Okay, so if you don't want this comment, you can unapprove this one, so it will be deleted, or you may also edit these comments. Okay, like this. And the most important one is the appearance. This is another important option for your website. Okay, we'll see this later. We just move forward into maybe in the next class we will see the appearance. We will see the plugins option. Okay, for today we'll just complete this option. Then next class we will see this most important option. Then from the third lesson we will start our class with the Elementor based builder. So let's just skip appearance and plugins for now, because this is most important one, these two options. Let's move forward into users. Users means your website editor. Like for me, I am a developer, so when we go to our website, let's try to copy, sorry, not this one, copy. Let's try to access from another browser, then paste and go. As you can see, this is our website. Okay, this is our current website. But if you want to edit something else, if you want to make changes, anything else, we need someone else. Okay, for me, let's say I'm not a developer, I need someone else to edit this website. Okay, from the backend. So for this purpose, I have to create some user who have the power to edit, delete, or remove anything else from my website. So the most power user roles is administrator. Okay, so if I click my website address, like it's dev-arifremal.pantheonsite.io, then if I press slash, then wp-admin, then click enter. For every website, okay, for every WordPress website, if I click here wp-admin, it will redirect into the login page. This is another page. Okay, sorry, another website. For every WordPress website, if you click slash wp-admin, you will see this type of interface. Okay, as you can see, this type of interface. So username and password always gives you will get from your client. Okay, username and password always, your clients always provide your username and password. For me, I think this is, let me check, is it the correct one? Yeah, this is the username and password. So for me, I'm just putting my username and password, then I can easily get the access. And if I click here users, then you will see Arifremal is my username, and my email is this one. So if I want to edit this one, just click edit. Okay, then on the edit, you will see the name. Okay, you can add name, you can add username. Okay, you can also add a profile picture. Let's try to add a new one. Let's say this is my project, I need my another friends else to do something else. So just click here, add new, then your username would be new deb. Okay, just copy this one, and this is the password. You may also create your own password, Arifremal. Okay, then copy, Then you may also just type username like here, username. Okay, is new dev, and the password is this one. Okay, then email is required. Okay, email, password, username, this three option is required. Okay, so email, let's type a dummy email. Okay, then website, this is not required, and this is the most important option, the rule. As I already told you that administrator is the most powerful role, then editor, then author, then contributor. Let's first of all, let's make him administrator. Okay, so that's administrator, then add new user. Okay, so user created, done. Okay, on our backend. So let's let me open from another browser as this username and password access. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to go to this website URL, copy. Okay, then paste, then I have to type /wp-admin. Then as I already saved my username, what is my username? New dev. Okay, new dev is my username, and the next one, my password is this one. Okay, so password this one, then login. Hooray, we are done. As you can see, now this is my access. Okay, then if you go to our user account, then you will see new dev. That means it's me, new dev, and this is my email. In this way, you can create your user on your WordPress backend. So let's try to change his role. Okay, so this is my profile. If I hover over this, you will see my Arifremal. That means this one. So if I can edit him, okay, how can I do this? Just click edit. Then if I change his user role, where is it? Yeah, role. As you can see, administrator. If I change it to subscriber, okay, this is the thing. As you can see, as administrator, I have this type of, just focus on the left side. Okay, focus on this option. I have dashboard option. Okay, I have post option. I have media, page, comments, appearance, plugins, tool, setting, collapse menu. This type of option I have as a administrator. But if I change this role into subscriber, and if I click update user, okay, then if I refresh from here, okay, I don't have permission. Okay, as you can see, I have only this option, only this three option: dashboard, profile, collapse menu. So because my user role is administrator, okay, sorry, my user role is subscriber. Let's change him into another one. Let's change it to contributor. Okay, then update user. Let's refresh this one. If I refresh this page, as you can see, two option added. Contributor means you can add a post, you can add comments. Okay, post and comments also there. And there are also two options. Okay, as a contributor, only this option will show. Let's change the role into author, then update. Okay, right now we have post option, comments, profile, and tools. Let's refresh this one. Okay, as a author, another option is added. This one, media. Okay, let's change into where is user role? Where is it? Go to users, edit. Okay, role. Let's change into him into editor, then update user. Just refresh this one. As you can see, tags, category, and page option also added as editor. This option added page. So in this way, you can change the user role. So let's make him to administrators. That means he will get everything access. Let's refresh this one. Now I have everything access. Everyone understand this one? User rules. Okay, how can link one page to another page? For example, if I click home, it must go home page. How we can do this? Yeah, we can do this with menu option. If I hover over this one, menu option, we'll see this later. If you add 2 or 3 menu, you can just change it. Okay. Then if I build website with HTML or CSS code, the different, if we code it WordPress, it would be both more. I mean, they both have any difference. If I build a website with HTML or CSS codes with that, it will be. No, for the HTML CSS, actually WordPress website also built with HTML and CSS. Okay, that is not different. Every website built with HTML and CSS. But the thing is the way for regular website. If I open my VS Code, we are just creating our index.html then index.css file. Okay, from on our VS Code. But on the WordPress website, we don't need to create our index.html files. We don't need to create our style.css file. It automatically generated on the backend. We just need to work in visually. This is the different, and that is no different. Every website built with HTML and CSS. This is the main structure for every website. If I go to our website, key quality or cool media marketing, then if I'm click inspect, you will see HTML file. As you can see, CSS design. This is CSS styles means CSS, and as you can see, this is your HTML. Start with HTML. Okay, HTML, then body. Okay, this is the things. So that is not different. But the different is the building style, like your page build style, how you can build. On the WordPress, you can build visually, but on the coding style, you need to just code on yourself. That's it. Do you understand, Jodran? Okay. Okay, let's move forward into the next one. This is user. This is most important. Let's delete him. Okay, no, not this one. Let's go to user, then delete this new dev and confirm deletion. Delete all content and confirm delete. Okay, now we have only this one, Arifremal user. Okay, tools. Under tools, you will see some option. This is related to your website. Let's say if you want, when we are creating our website with theme, we can import our ready-made templates. With this, we can also export some templates. So we can export our let's say I want to export some of my post, so we can easily export our post, then we can transfer this post into another website. There's site health. This indicate your website health condition, and you can also export and import your personal data. So this is not important. Setting, this is the important one. Site title, that means your website title. As you can see, for the cool media marketing, the cool media is our website title. Okay, cool media marketing, and my WordPress blog is my tagline. So as you can see, Arifremal. If you hover over this, you will see Arifremal first. Okay, Arifremal, then WordPress. Then if we change it to the tag guy, then publish, save changes. Then if you visit our website, you will see Arifremal, then the tag guy. As you can see, Arifremal, then the Arifremal is our website title, and this is our subtitle or tagline, the tag guy. So you can change from here tagline. Website URL you can change. Administrator email you can change. The new user rules, if you create a membership website, so this option is important. Who can oh sorry, I just missed out this one. This is most important option, the membership. If you create your membership website, make sure that you have checked this one. Anyone can register, so people can register your website. So after registered, what would be their rule? It must be subscriber. Okay, don't make this one into administrator. So when someone create account on your website, they will get whole access. So make sure that you have checked this one. Anyone can register. Then you can also check this one as subscriber, not as administrator. Otherwise, they will hack your website. Then site language, you may change site language, then time zone, date format. Okay, you may also add Persian. Okay, I think this is available, Persian language. So this is the thing. This is your channel setting. Then writing, this is your default post category. As we have created some post category. So default is Taliban. You may change it to entertainment. Post format, there are lots of format. So standard is best. And editor, as we already talked about this one, class editor and block editor. User rules, that means user can switch into editor. Make sure that this is no. And mail server SMTP or this mail server. So just leave as it is. Okay, default one. Then reading, on the reading, we have already talked about the static page. That means we are now in this type of page. If you select web design, then if you save changes, so the web design page will appear as a home page. This is the thing. And this is blog post option, how many blog posts you want to show your website. And discussion, on the discussion there are lots of options, so just make it as it is. You don't need to do work. And for the media option, thumbnail size, that means your features image of your blog, you can change your thumbnail size, minimum maximum size. Permalinks, we have already checked this out earlier. Privacy, you may add some privacy here, this is not important. And page cache, this is we'll see some plugins about cache. Cache means it will delete your website cache. So in this way you can do this. So we have covered all of this option. Only left appearance and plugins. On the next class we will see about appearance and plugins option, and the others option is done. Is there any question, students, about the option? Any question? Okay, for the next class, homework would be, and please everyone just create your website. Everyone do your homework, please. This is my request. Otherwise, I won't continue the course. As you can see, we change our website web design page into a home page. That's why it's called front page. Okay, for the next homework, it would be just create 4 or 5 pages on your website, then just send me the link. Okay, just create 4 or 5 pages. You may copy content from the other's website. Okay, everyone do your homework. Okay, just create the page. This is easy. Okay, students, is there any question about today's lesson? Any question for today's lesson?
No, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Allah Hafiz everyone.